Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a good video. It's my makeup packaging I love and hate. So yeah, it's going to be fun. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment, and let's just get straight into it. Let's try get 20 likes. Let's try do that. Okay, let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to start with makeup packaging I love. I start off nice, you know, or should we like alternate? No, let's start off with just do nice and then horrible. Yeah, but I don't want to end on a bad note, but I want to start on a bad note. Oh, we should end on a bad note. I'm horrible. First of all, I have the Dior lip gloss. Now, I absolutely love this. This is in shade 453 Sidero. I actually bought it in the wrong shade, so the shade's not like the best shade ever, but you know, we're just talking about the packaging today. This is gorgeous. It is, oh, it's Dior, it's going to be gorgeous, isn't it? Like, obviously. And it looks like this, and it just has like, it just looks so expensive because it is for a lip gloss. And it has like the little CD for Christine Dior and like a little round thing, and then you just twizzle it, and I don't know what it is about it, it just is so beautiful. And it says like Dior there, and the way it just turns. Oh my god, that sound. Whoa, yeah. Ready, listen to that. Oh, I didn't do it. Ready? ASMR, I'm joking. Oh my god, what am I doing? My life. Next, I actually have another Dior product. I have the Dior Nude Air Luminizer in the shade 2. And it looks like this. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Like, this is beautiful. It's just, you know what I'm talking about, like, it just looks expensive. The packaging is ruined inside a little bit. And it's just silver, and it says June Air on it. But I don't really say that anymore because I've used it. This is not actually very blinding, so it's not, I don't love the products as much as others, but the packaging is just worth it. It's worth it. And I love it. I'm loving it. No, stop. Okay, next I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sweet Sugar. Oh my god, I get them so confused. I keep thinking it's called Sweet Sugar Glow Kit. Now, if you could see in the light, it actually is like sparkly, but you can't, so yeah, you know. Oh god, one thing I would say, it gets really dirty and there's no mirror. I wish there was a mirror, but look at the state of this. This is my favourite highlighter ever, like in the world of highlighters. That is like the perfect ombre colour. I love the colour. If you want a review on this, or like a comparison with the Moonchild when I do that, because that could be fun. Yeah, this actually has 4 shades. And just the way it's out in the pan, it's beautiful. And I love how it's like ombre, that is so cute. And the lettering, like you can feel the lettering. I just think it's gorgeous and sparkly, but you can't see it's sparkly, so I'm lying to you. I'm not lying. Next, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Now, I don't actually like this palette, but I love the packaging. It is velvet. It's a velvet. Oh my god, it's velvet. Like, you can, when you run your finger over it, you can feel the actual like indentation of the lettering. But this is the inside of it. I love how it can fold back. I'm loving it. The shades are really pretty. I just don't like the palette. A bit patchy, the shades. But other than that, it's really beautiful. And the brush that comes with it isn't that great either. But the velvet's nice. It's one of my favourite colours, this. And the gold. It's beautiful. And the last thing I have for makeup packaging I love is the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. I love their palettes. Like, the people on the front of the palette, they are gorgeous. But like, out of all the palettes, this is probably my favourite. All the Magic palette's really pretty. No, I love this one. The colour's gorgeous, and I love how they coordinate with each other. Does that make sense? I know we're not talking about the actual product, but the actual product is amazing. The colours are beautiful. Like, look at the inside. It does need a mirror though. But what you can do is the packaging is brilliant. Moving on to makeup packaging I hate. Okay, don't get offended. Okay, so I love all these products, by the way. I just don't like the packaging. First of all, I have the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder. Now, I just don't like this packaging. It just don't look great. Also, it's really hard to get out, and it's just powder everywhere. I've nearly run out. Oh my god, I'm not paying £29 for this. And you can't even tell it's expensive. Like, I'm paying £29 for powder. I don't want it to look like something from Rimmel. I want it to look like something from Laura Mercier, you know? Does it? No. I'm just not a fan of the packaging. It's really messy. Anyway, moving on, I have the MAC blusher here. This is the shade Flare Power. This is the most crap packaging ever. Do you know what? That's one thing about MAC. Their packaging is so bad. Like, you're paying for the product and the packaging, really. And you want to be paying for the packaging. But you're not. You're paying for cheap packaging. Like, drugstore makeup packaging is better than MAC's packaging. Do you hear how tacky this feels, ready? It's just, no. Like, what? No? Oh, that is satisfying, though. I'm sorry, headphone users. Love me. Subscribe to my channel still. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, really. Oh, by the way, guess what I've ordered? Oh my god, you're never going to guess what I've ordered. I've ordered artificial lighting. No, I've ordered umbrella lights, so I'm going to have, like, proper good lighting. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Wait for that day when I get a proper camera. Probably not going to be anytime soon because they're £500, but I'm fine with this camera. With the artificial lighting, I'll be like, yes. Anyway, not a fan. Next, I have the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter. Congrats on Stormy. I love that name. I think it's so cute. I know everyone doesn't like it, but I love it. And congrats. Not that she's watching this in like a million years. But I really love this product. But I really hate the packaging. The packaging is dreadful. Like, look, you can't even tell it's from Kylie. What is that? Where's the lettering? It's invisible. You can only see it if you go like that or it's in the sun. It looks like really cheap from the outside. The inside is actually really nice. I love the inside. But the back is alright. It just doesn't look like I'm paying for nice products. And I don't get nice packaging. Like, you kind of... I see where she was going with it, but you can't see the Kylie. I wish she'd maybe put the Kylie in different colours so you could actually see that it was from Kylie and not Pound Shop. Maybe Pound Stretcher. Just not a fan. But I love the product, so yeah. Next, I have the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Now, I love this palette and the colours are gorgeous, but it's so cheap looking. So cheap looking. Like, look. It's so cheap looking. I like how you can see into the colours, but I don't, in a way. You can't tell it's high end, but... And I don't like the way it's organised in the palette either, because the colours just fall into each other. Has got no mirror. I want a mirror. She did well in Desert Dust though. That was a gorgeous palette. But it's so simple. It's so simple. Like, she didn't put much effort into the actual packaging. I want nice packaging. Huda. Yeah. And the last thing I have to show you today is Morphe palettes. Now, I absolutely hate... This is their old packaging, by the way, though. I absolutely hate their packaging so much. I don't know. I'm not a fan of Morphe palettes because there's too many shades in them. Like, they overwhelm me. But this palette's really nice. It's in 35B. I'm going to break a nail. Oh, I didn't. It's just so... I know it is quite affordable, but it just looks dreadful. I wish they'd put a bit more effort into packaging. I'd pay £5 more if I could get nice packaging. Honestly. It's just so tacky and it just falls apart. Like, look. It's just so tacky. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't too short because I'm used to doing like 20-minute videos, but oh well. I love you so much and make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I love you all. Bye.